Hello, beautiful souls. I hope you're doing amazing. I had an update for my lovely twin flame souls. Right now, I got the message from the galactic team of light, and it's a very beautiful message. Very simple, very beautiful. I'm sure you already know it in your heart. Maybe this is coming as a reconfirmation from your guides, from divine source energy. Now, I saw that the divine masculine, the heart of divine masculine is opening up so wide that it's creating a turbulence. It's a cause of turbulence inside their heart, and they more than ever right now they remember their love, the love they carry within their soul towards their divine feminine. It is almost becoming inseparable in the heart, in the soul, and intolerable to the even the mind to exist, to have this life without the divine feminines. And divine feminine, my dear ones, I feel you're embodying your soul more and more every single day. But right now I'm here to talk about divine masculine. The vision I saw was Lord Buddha leaving his home. He was a prince, and he left his home because he recognized that there is no soul growth. That is a comfort zone. Yes, he might get everything there, but his soul is not going to grow in in those four walls. It was more of a mental wall, right? So similarly, I see the divine masculines are leaving their karmic home. I was particularly seeing home. So it could be that most of the divine masculines that are part of my collective have karmic dynamics at home. Their home energy is very heavy and entangling for them. It could be their mother, it could be the family system, it could be something ancestral in the lineage, it could be all of it, it could be something other than that, but very much related to the home. Now, a true home for a divine masculine is lies with the divine feminine. He does not know that yet, they do not know that yet in their mind, in their consciousness, but what they're doing is they are feeling pulled towards leaving their karmic home. I saw a lot of divine masculines will shift their location, and they are already thinking of shifting their location, especially if it is a karmic location. So, and it may also initiate the relocation of divine feminine. Does not necessarily have to do, it is not necessary. Let me reinstate, it is not necessary that the divine feminine will also shift their location. It really depends upon where their grid work belongs. For now, the divine masculine are shifting their grid work, and the feminine, it's up to your soul contract. Maybe I'll update it later in another video, but for now, thank you so much for listening, for being here, for being a part of this community. If you have not hit a follow, subscribe, please do that for more updates, for more beautiful readings of your soul journey. Thank you.